Greetings and welcome. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for video sessions. This is video session on economic considerations of heat exchangers. In this session, you will be able to explain economic considerations of heat exchangers. First of all, let us discuss about heat exchangers. Heat exchangers are the process equipments which are used to exchange the heat between hot and cold fluids for different applications like thermal power plants in power generation, oil and gas industries, refineries and process industries. In the design of heat exchanger, economy of the heat exchanger is very important. So different points which are to be considered as far as economy of the heat exchanger is concerned means selection of material, pressure drop, length of pipe, corrosion which occurs due to handling of some corrosive media. There are heat exchangers which are concerned with high temperatures. So in such cases, here while selecting a heat exchanger for a given duty, the following points must be considered. Operating parameters. These are operating pressure, operating temperature at which heat exchanger is working. Operating temperatures are inlet outlet temperatures of hot and cold fluid. Temperature driving force means temperature difference. During different phases of the process including startup, shutdown, normal and process offset conditions, these operating parameters are to be considered. Performance parameters like effectiveness of heat exchanger and pressure drops which are occurring due to friction in the heat exchanger are to be considered. Characteristics of thermal fluid. So there are different characteristics of the fluid. These are temperature, pressure, phase, physical properties of the fluids, toxicity, corrosivity and fouling tendency of the fluid. Selection of materials. In this, use of higher temperature of heating fluid results into smaller heat exchanger for a given heating load. So material should be selected on the basis of temperature limits. Pressure drop which occurs due to friction of fluid with the surface of tube and shell. So pressure drops in a heat exchanger affects the size of the heat exchanger. Higher is the allowable pressure drop, lower is the size of heat exchanger. Length of pipe. The reduction in length of pipe may not always reduce the cost of heat exchanger, so it should be optimized. Overall economy of the heat exchanger is depending on the cost. So here the major costs considered in designing a heat exchanger are the manufacturing cost and the operating cost. Now these costs include maintenance cost also. In general, less the heat transfer surface area leads to less complexity of the design of heat exchanger and thus it lower the manufacturing cost. The operating cost is the pumping cost due to pumping devices such as fans, blowers and pumps etc. which are used in the heat exchangers in order to carry the fluid or move the fluid inside the pipe and shell. The maintenance costs include cost of spares that require frequent renewal due to corrosion and cost due to corrosion and fouling prevention and control. So at the end of this session you can explain economic considerations of heat exchangers. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for further video sessions. Thank you.